People observed the 77th anniversary of the Tokyo air raids by the US military during World War II. About 100,000 civilians are estimated to have died in the bombing of the Japanese capital on March 10, 1945. Bombers are said to have targeted residential areas and a large-scale fire ensued. The memorial service was scaled down for the third year in a row due to the coronavirus pandemic. A 95-year-old visitor said he saw many people jump into the river the day after the raids because of the heat. He said he hopes for a stop to fighting, including Russia's invasion of Ukraine. A 67-year-old man who lost 11 relatives in the bombing also expressed hope that war memorials will not be created ever again. Participants prayed for peace in Ukraine.